Hello there, creators. My name is Sir Orlando, and I welcome you back to the Creators World channel, where we learn to earn with graphic design and online business. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a bold and vibrant retro 3D text effect right here in CorelDRAW.
To begin with, we have to create these line shapes. Check the video description where I leave a link to a video which shows you how you can achieve this. Let's get busy in today's tutorial. So after you've created these line shapes, select this one and rotate it to give the letter C. Make a copy and rotate it as you see on the screen. Make a copy of the vertical strokes and position them as you see on the screen. Always drag through the node so that it snaps to the node of where you are taking it to. Adjust to give us the shape of the letter D. Make a copy of the vertical strokes and position it to the right of the letter D. Selecting the two, press B so that the bottom of the two will be aligned. Click drag to align it to the top part of the letter D and align the quarter circle lines also to the top of the letter R. Make a copy of the horizontal lines and position it to the right part of the letter R as you see on the screen. Adjust to get the desired results. Now we have our CDR. Let's align all by selecting all and grouping, and then press P to center on the page. Great. Now with the virtual segment delete tool, let's delete these parts of our letter R. Now select all and open the transform Docker. Choose the outline and set the corners to round and the caps also to round. Change the size to 1 millimeter. Ungroup all. Because we have white as part of our color schemes, let's bring them outside of our page and start giving or applying the colors to the lines. Remember, to apply a color to an outline, you need to right click. So do this for the 3 letters. You can copy my color scheme or go for a color scheme of your choice. The power is always in your hands. You are the creator. Nice. Now let's select the innermost part of the letter D and bring the outline to the front of the page. And select the white part of the letter R and bring it to the front of page. Select all and group and copy. Change the color to a dark gray and paste another copy on it. Reposition it slightly to the left and top part of the one with a gray color. And selecting the two, open the blend docker and apply the settings as you see on your screen. Set the blend direction angle to 30 degrees. This adds a cool curvy effect to our 3D. Break it apart with Ctrl K and select our group which is in the foreground and apply a drop shadow effect to it just as you see on the screen. Beautiful. Our 3D text is ready, but we need to add a few finishing touches to it. So let's select everything and group and create a rectangle on our page and give it a dark gray background and press P whilst we select our 3D text to place it on the center of our page. Select our 3D text and copy it onto clipboard. Now convert it to a bitmap. And apply a radial blur effect with the settings just as you see on the screen. Paste with Ctrl V and select the bitmap which is behind and give it an order to the front of the page. With the transparency tool selected, change the mode from normal to soft light, and voila! An awesome 3D text effect created right here in CorelDRAW. If you got value from this video, then subscribe for more inspiring content. Your likes and your comments are deeply appreciated. Start creating yours now.